Hello and welcome to Resort Travel. In this video, we will take you on a tour of Palais Garnier. The Palais Garnier, also known as the Opera Garnier, is a historic opera house located in the heart of Paris. Completed in 1875, it's a masterpiece of architecture and a symbol of the grandeur of the Second Empire. Step inside and be wowed by breathtaking interior. A grand staircase sweeps upward, flanked by lavish foyers. Foyer ceilings adorned with frescoes celebrating music's history. Sunlight streams through the avant foyer, its mosaics shimmering with golden light. The crowning jewel is the impressive auditorium adorned in a rich tapestry of red and gold. This auditorium can accommodate over 1,900 spectators. It is renowned for its exceptional acoustics, making it a world-class venue for opera and ballet performances. Today, it continues to be a cultural hub, attracting visitors from around the globe who come to admire its architectural splendor. Every week, we will take you to the most amazing places in the world. Follow us so you don't miss our next tour.